Reflective films are among the most trying films to install, whether you're installing them on a flat surface or trying to wrap an entire vehicle. Typically, when you try to reposition them, they either won't or they bruise, leaving chatter lines. And when you try to remove them, they leave a lot of glue residue behind. This reflective film solves all of these issues.
Let us introduce you to IllumiNITE Wrap with Flight Technology, a film that redefines the concept of reflective wraps. The vehicle we are working on demonstrates the benefits of having flight technology on a reflective film. It would be extremely difficult for an applicator to apply a one-piece hood graphic all alone on such a tall and wide vehicle. IllumiNITE Wrap features low-contact adhesive with an active air egress pattern, allowing it to float over the surface of the vehicle. This area of the hood has been installed, and yet it can be repositioned with ease. Competitive reflective films are not repositionable and create unrecoverable chatter lines or bruising when you try to snap them up. There is no bruising at all on this repositioned graphic. IllumiNITE Wrap is highly conformable, enabling applicators to wrap complex corners and gentle curves like these. This reflective film is pliable and easy to work with. Usually when installing a reflective film, areas like this with wrinkles would have to be worked from the center out and often require the use of heat. IllumiNITE Wrap is a soft enough film that you can simply add a little tension and the wrinkles flatten out. Reflective film is often used for striping on emergency vehicles, but is rarely forgiving enough to allow you to reposition your stripe multiple times if necessary. IllumiNITE Wrap not only allows you to place your stripe exactly where you want it, it allows you to reposition your stripe even after you have applied it to the vehicle. Most reflective films are difficult to snap up and create chatter lines or bruising when you try to reposition them. IllumiNITE Wrap delivers brilliant colors that stay true both in the day and at night. Most leading brands of reflective films wash out your image when they reflect light, turning vibrant colors into pastels. IllumiNITE Wrap is printable across all platforms including solvent, eco-solvent, UV, and latex printers. It is also plotter-friendly and weeds well, making excellent pre-spaced reflective lettering. Removing reflective graphics is a difficult and often messy job. IllumiNITE Wrap with Flight Technology requires no more effort to remove than any other premium pressure-sensitive vinyl film, and leaves a clean, adhesive-free surface behind.
As you can see, applying reflective film doesn't have to be difficult.